I was a presenter at last week's Travefy Sales Workshop. It was outstanding, by the way. I'll put a link below for you to watch the replays. I talked about the importance of being organized and prepared for the first call with your clients and having a list of every question you may potentially want to ask. An agent attending the webinar asked the question, if someone wants to go somewhere you haven't been, how do you know the right questions to ask? What I didn't tell you in my answer during the webinar is that in your Calendly calendar or other online calendar link, you can make questions mandatory, like, what would you like to achieve during this call? That's what mine says. I don't allow guests to book an appointment within 48 hours, so surprises don't show up on my calendar last minute. So once I receive the appointment on my calendar, I have at least 48 hours to prepare for the call. For example, I can do the Florida Keys specialty course before I hop on the call with my client, so I know exactly what questions to ask to qualify my clients. I'm confident and I sound like a rock star. Go right now and at least add that qualifying question to your calendar. What would you like to achieve on this call? Join my free community at travellabprogram.com to get my scripts and download my 7-star service processes and procedures.